In order to have an optimal experience with GuzelBoard on your Chromecast, Android TV, Google TV, or Fire TV device, you will need to change a few settings. Configuring these settings may look a little bit different between different versions of the Android operating system. First, go to Settings, then go to the gear icon. Then go down to Apps. Within Apps, go to See All Apps. Within See All Apps, go down to Show System Apps. Within System Apps, go down to Ambient Mode, select it, and click Disable. This will ensure that Ambient Mode doesn't interrupt your GuzelBoard sessions. Click OK. Next, we're going to change some of the power settings. Go back again, go down to System from the settings screen, and go down to Power and Energy. From Power and Energy, change your device to never go inactive. Again, this will ensure that GuzelBoard does not get interrupted while displaying your digital signage. Click Confirm. Last, go back to the home screen. Find the GuzelBoard app. Open it again, and you will be presented with a dialog asking you whether you want to allow GuzelBoard to be displayed over other apps. Since it's digital signage, of course you do. So go down to GuzelBoard and select that it's allowed. That's it. With these few simple configuration changes, you'll have a better GuzelBoard experience.